Hi, I am Dr. VVS Chandrasekharam. I am a pediatric surgeon at Ankura Hospital for Women and Children, Hyderabad. Today, we are going to discuss about obesity in children. Obesity in children is a very important topic. And first of all, what is obesity? Obesity is basically a common term is overweight. Somebody is obese, we usually call somebody as overweight. Slight difference between overweight and obesity. Overweight is the lesser form of obesity, we can say. So when somebody is has more weight than what they should have for their height, that is generally classified as overweight or obesity. So there are standard charts now available about the normal height and the normal weight for that height for various ages in adults as well as in children up to 5 years, from 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and 15 to 20 years adolescents. There are charts available. So based on these charts, we can actually see whether somebody's weight for height falls within the normal category or it is either below or above the normal category. Another simple way of calculating whether somebody is overweight or obese is what we call as to calculate body mass index, BMI. So body mass index basically is a formula which takes the height of the person and the weight of the person into account. So in the formula gives you a value for the body mass index of that particular person. So now the body mass index is mostly used in adults but can also be used in adolescents and children. Generally, most normal people have body mass index BMI between 15 to 25. So any BMI above 25 means the person is overweight. Obviously, there is a difference between normal acceptable weight for a person who is tall, 5.5 feet tall or 6 feet tall. So the height and weight both have to be taken into consideration to calculate the BMI. There is a simple formula, it's available online also. So any BMI up to 25 is normal. 25 to 30 is considered to be overweight. Any BMI above 30 is considered to be obesity. Again, 30 to 35 is grade 1, 35 to 40 is grade 2, and beyond 40 BMI is severe or grade 3 obesity. There are many ways to classify obesity based on the BMI. So obesity is basically any person having a weight more than what is expected for the height of that particular person. This is calculated by body mass index, and the body mass index will tell you whether a person is normal weight or overweight or obese.